Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to RMK Reactions. I am Miles and 1/3 of RMK. And today we're going to listen to some more reactions. All right. So today we have a song by Depeche Mode. And the song is called Personal Jesus. Have you guys heard the song? Because I never heard the song. So we're going to check it out. All right. And make sure you guys subscribe and like to our channel. And if you guys have any requests, we would love to hear from you. All right. So we're just going to go ahead and play the song.
Reach out, touch faith. Your own personal Jesus. Someone to hear your prayers. Someone who cares.
Time out, guys. So I just want to let it be known that when I first heard like the first 30 seconds of the song, it reminded me of like an old like a car insurance commercial or something. So that's what the music sounds like right now. And so far I feel like the lyrics and the sounds don't really match, but we're gonna continue because this is just the first part of the song. So we're gonna continue, okay?
Feeling unknown and you're all alone. Flesh and bone by the telephone. Lift up the receiver, I'll make you a believer. Takes a confess, put me to the test. Things on your chest, you need to confess. I will deliver you, know I'm a forgiver. Reach out, touch faith. Reach out, touch faith. Your own personal Jesus. Someone to hear your prayers. Someone who cares. Your own personal Jesus. Someone to hear your prayers. Someone who's there.
I like how they did the little beatbox with the breathing, the oh, oh, that was pretty cool. All right.
Feeling unknown and you're all alone. Flesh and bone by the telephone. Lift up the receiver, I'll make you a believer. I will deliver you, know I'm a forgiver. Reach out, touch your own
right, ladies and gentlemen, let's go ahead and talk about that song. You notice how I stayed still for most of the song. You notice how I didn't clap at the end of the song. Um, I felt like this song was kind of boring. I feel like the lyrics didn't really match the beat. I'm not saying the music was bad, because it really wasn't. It wasn't the best, but it really wasn't bad. I liked how it would switch up, and they would use electronic drums, especially towards the end. Um, but I just feel like the lyrics didn't really match the music, and it was just kind of like, saying "reach out, touch faith" like over and over, and it sounded kind of redundant, and also just I was really kind of over it. But yeah, if I was to give this one a rating, I would say 5. You know, just because it didn't really make me feel any type of way. It didn't really. It just did sound like it didn't match well. Good music, good lyrics. They could have found a different song for the lyrics, and you know, different lyrics for that beat as well. That's my personal opinion. But if you guys like what I said, go ahead and like. If you want to comment, go ahead and comment. But make sure you subscribe to RMK Reactions. And if you guys have any requests, make sure you leave it in the comment section as well. We would love to hear you guys' requests. Okay. All right. Have a good one.